What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Visions back. About to post another video in a few, let you know how yesterday went because yesterday was a little crazy because I'm out of my soul everywhere. But yeah, about to get out here today, see what's going on, see what's happening. Uh, Hopefully, I'll be able to find an artist that's out here that's ready to shoot because I'm getting bored. I'm getting very very bored, and money's out here, and I need to go and get it, and I need to start shooting these videos. I need to start putting promotions together for people. Need to start doing like very good shit, which I've been doing, but a lot of people don't analyze me. Like I gotta step out a little bit more, or, whatever. But me and my $10 mic that you see right here, as you see, the little $10 giggy is gonna do its due. You dig?